Because it's just kind of yucky out there. I think that's a good way to put it. We saw that live shot just a bit ago.
Yeah, the scientific term, yucky.
Yucky.
Yeah.
No, the scientific term is yuck. The unofficial term is yucky.
Scott and I are dreaming about vacation at this point after the severe weather season we've had and the severe weather season that just won't quit. It does look like the light is at the end of the tunnel later this week, but we've still got some severe weather to get through tonight. Right now, when I look at current temperatures, you can definitely tell there's a boundary in place and that we've had some rain because you've got mid-70s and McKinney and Denton getting closer to that 80-degree mark in Dallas and Fort Worth, and then low to mid-80s right now. Palestine actually feels like it's in the mid-90s right now. That is how warm and muggy it is. But when we look at First Alert satellite and radar, a lot of cloudy skies still, and of course we've had some active weather, some severe thunderstorms this afternoon after severe thunderstorms earlier this morning and severe thunderstorms last night as well. So a very impactful 24 hours of hail. These are just the local hail reports. Remember, we had that long track storm last night, tracked over 200 miles through North Texas, dropped 4-inch hail in parts of the Metroplex, and now we've had more severe weather with severe hail this afternoon, and we're just going to add to it tonight as well. What we have going on currently, most of the severe storm activity has pushed off to the east for now. At the top of the show, right at 4 o'clock, I was talking about that storm just south of Canton. As soon as I was done, National Weather Service actually warned on it. So there is still this warning for Henderson and Van Zant County, but it's going to be moving into Smith County here in the next few minutes. Warning goes until 4:45, but this is for half-dollar size hail, and that was that hail core that we were looking at just south of Canton, but it is moving very quickly to the east, kind of following right along 20 right now. There's a boundary in place, and so that's where all of these storms are kind of going, from west to east, right along that boundary line. But we do still have this severe thunderstorm watch in place. Goes through 9 o'clock tonight. All of the Metroplex included in this. And we may have some stronger storms overnight, even after 9 o'clock. We're going to have to kind of wait and see. The storm activity that we've seen this afternoon, you know, has it stabilized things enough where we don't see a ton of storm activity overnight? I don't think that's necessarily the case, but the models aren't doing a great job currently with what we've got going on. The one thing of note, we talked about this at midday and still kind of keeping an eye on this, very unstable later tonight to the south and west of the Metroplex. So do we get some supercells to kind of move up from the southwest and then eventually move into the Metroplex? Here's midnight, and you've got scattered strong storms with at least this one particular model, the HER model, and then it keeps these storms overnight. We still have scattered shower and storm activity through 7 a.m. tomorrow, and then we've got the coverage at about 40% throughout the morning and afternoon hours, but I think at that point it's a little more scattered and likely a little bit more shower activity than severe storm activity. So we went 40% coverage for tomorrow with a high of 90. Some won't even get to 90 degrees, but by Thursday, partly cloudy skies, 98, and then 100 degrees Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 103, guys. So,
because it just keeps getting better. All right.